Hey guys, I'm coming to you today with another bluegrass flat picking lick, this time from Doc Watson. Doc Watson's one of my all-time favorite guitar players. He has a really distinct style, a really distinct sound, especially to his soloing. And that's partly because of the way he plays, the way he picks with his right hand, and also the guitar that he's playing. Very unique sounding guitar. Straight out of Deep Gap, Doc Watson just seems like a really cool guy. I use this lick in my soloing all the time, especially when we're playing over really fast stuff, because for some reason it translates really well at a higher tempo. So we're playing this lick out of the G position, but we're playing it with a capo on 2, which puts us in the key of A. Although you could take this lick into any key you want that's in the G position, depending on where you're capoed up. It's a really good lick to have in your arsenal, so I hope you enjoy it, and let's check it out. Alright, let's take a look at this Doc Watson lick. Now, Doc Watson's soloing style is very distinct in that it's just kind of an unbroken chain of notes. He does a lot of picking, not a lot of pull-offs. Alright, so we're starting out on a downstroke on the open E. Now, I do like to play it out of this G chord position as opposed to this. Either one's fine, whatever's more comfortable for you. We're starting with a downstroke on the open E to an upstroke on the 3rd fret E string, and then an open A. 1st fret, You notice I'm playing most of this lick with my index finger and my middle finger. Really, the entire lick occupies these 3 frets, the first 3 frets, and it's being played over the G chord. So it's nice because you can actually hold the G chord and play this lick. So we're ascending, and then descending. I'm playing that entire descending part with my index finger. Okay, let's play all of measure number 1, start to finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. All right, now let's look at measure number 2, or the second half of this lick. So it's just a 2 measure long lick. And we're coming off of this open A. So what we're going to do is we're going to play an open A, and then we're going to play an open E, right at the beginning of measure number 2. If you notice measure number 2, it starts almost exactly the same way as measure number 1. So it's open to 3. We're kind of just adding in that classic bluegrass lick at the end there. Doc Watson tends to pick every single note as opposed to doing a pull-off there. He likes to go. So it's... as opposed to... Both of them are correct, but since we're learning the Doc Watson style lick, we're going to pick each individual note. You can hit that with your middle finger or your index finger, whatever's more comfortable for you. Okay, now let's play all of measure number 2, start to finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's play measures 1 and 2, or the entire lick, start to finish. I'll start playing it slowly at first, and then I'll kick up the speed as I go along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.